Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new AirPods Pro. As you can see, I have the box right here in front of me. Let's take a closer look. Let's unbox our new AirPods Pro. We have some documentation, including a quick start guide and some warranty information. Here is the AirPods Pro case. It's slightly larger than the previous AirPods case, but still fits easily in your pocket. The AirPods Pro also come with 2 additional silicone tips. In case the default size doesn't fit your ears perfectly, they feel very comfortable and secure in my ears. Here's the Lightning to USB-C cable that you use to charge the case. One of the biggest new features of the AirPods Pro is active noise cancellation. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to listen to music or make calls in noisy environments. It really does block out a lot of external noise. And here they are, the AirPods Pro themselves. As you can see, they have a shorter stem than the previous AirPods, and they also have a silicone tip that fits in your ear. This is to provide a better, more secure fit. Now, let's compare them to the old AirPods. As you can see, the old AirPods have a longer stem and no silicone tip. They're still comfortable to wear, but they don't fit as securely in the ear. And that's it for the unboxing. I'm really excited to try out these AirPods Pro and see how they compare to the previous AirPods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.